Waking up here on Sunday morning. We're going to head back and finish off section 7. Stayed here in State College. So we're going to get some gas and then backtrack about 15 minutes to get back on the Mabdr. Bag is complete garbage and it won't even open on this side. Very happy with this bag. I don't know if it's defective or what, but I got one. As much money as you spend, it should work. First time using it, it shouldn't break already. And not happy with this bag either, as it's a pain to get off, keeps getting stuck. So a little disappointed, but the bike's awesome at least. Alright, so we just backtracked. We are officially back on section 7. Gonna finish out the rest of the half of this and work our way to 8 and 9. Get that picture at the New York border, and we will successfully completed the Mabdr. Another good day of weather, a little cool here in the morning. Started out in the 50s, but gonna get up in the 60s, so really can't complain. Mario has definitely redeemed himself from the ball bashing I gave him earlier in the trip when he was having brake problems. I think he's finally gelling with that 990. He's starting to cruise on these gravel roads. Pete, unfortunately, had a couple incidents, so he's got no handguards. So he's taking it a little easy, just because if he drops the bike, he's not going to be so lucky of getting it back up, because the levers will probably break. We found this little creek crossing, not part of the loop. We thought this was a trail, but just leads to a little cabin. Alright, we just finished up section 7. Mostly gravel there for that second half of 7. About 50 miles. A real nice ride through the state forest there. Nice creeks along the way. Now we popped out onto some pavement, and then we're into section 8 right now. Have 8 and 9 left to go. It's just before 11 o'clock, so making pretty good time so far. That was our turn right back there, but we're going to run into town. It's about 8 miles up here with plenty of food options. We're going to run in, fuel up, shy of the halfway mark of 8. We'll grab some lunch, some fuel, and then hammer out the rest after lunch. Sitting at right about noon probably when we get into town. So hopefully we'll get back onto the course around 1 and have a little bit over half of 8 and all of 9. Alright, so we stopped here in Mifflinburg, about 8 miles off the course, but had a real good lunch there at Rusty Rail, so I definitely recommend that place. So now we'll take the 8 miles back and then jump back into Bald Eagle State Park. Oh, Crocs on, my man!
Mr. Dennett that Ricky Bobby is my best friend. And it's shaking big time.
Boy, Cal, I don't like the way you're talking out there.
Damn the torpedoes! Get back, buddy!
Here I come. Late shot engaged.
This is closer to my wheelhouse. You can just stay in the center where there's a little bit of grass. It's smooth. Alright, so this was probably the most technical thing we've hit and probably will hit. It resembled a little bit more of a trail, so I was happy to see a little more technical section. Besides that, everything's been pretty easy, especially up in the PA section. Pete did a really good job on that Suzuki, cruising on through there, so that was fun. Find a spot. Alright, so section 8 ended up continuing for a good bit more. We just finally finished that up here at Perry's Ice Cream. They're closed, but just needed to stop and switch out batteries and get ready for the final section. 4:45, so it's almost 5 o'clock, so definitely going to be probably one of our latest days. I don't know how long section 9 is. I'll have to look during our break. Alright, a quick little stop. So a slight navigation issue there. We needed to turn left here and head across the bridge. Pretty spot. Wait, do I go right or left? Dang, sinkhole. I do have to say the PA section is definitely better, like views wise, like running through by the creeks and different stuff like that. Alright, so section 9. Section 9 is 78 miles, I believe. We have about 30 left. It's 6:20, so we're about an hour and 20 minutes into section 9. And hopefully less than an hour to go, depending on what the terrain's like. But right now we're on pavement, so it should make a pretty good time. Alright, so just going to go ahead and top off. We're about 5 minutes, I believe, from the finish. So So we'll go ahead and get one last fuel stop in. Well, we made it. I tried to stop and get gas, can't get the tank bag out, can't get the top case out, but we made it. Went from Tennessee to New York on mostly gravel roads, completed the Mabdr despite some definite challenges along the way. Three biggest things I had were just this key, tank bag, this back bag all stuck. All brand new. I wish I was that cool. Right, so that is that. We made it to the New York border. Now we are headed south to get a hotel and try to figure out this tank bag so I can make it home. But I'll probably try to do a little debrief digest on the way home. We definitely got some stories. It was not uneventful at all, but I guess that's part of it. It makes it more interesting. Makes the accomplishment that much sweeter. So appreciate everyone that tuned into the series. Like I said, I'll do another video on kind of the debrief and digest of the trip on my ride home. But for now, we're gonna head back, get a hotel, and get something to eat. It's 7:30. To get this bike figured out so I know I can make it home tomorrow. So it's 8:30 now. Still didn't even go get gas. Went to Walmart, got some bungees, got the tank bag there, got some WD-40 to at least get it off. This bag won't latch on this side, won't come unlatched on this side, so literally got to pry it open. So very disappointed how much money these cases are, having problems.
All right, so this is Brian opening up his top case after
Brand new top case.
Yeah, first trip it's been on. It's not that he doesn't know what he's doing. He does. We fought this thing last night, which is why we're recording it now. So we're pushing in on the...
You KTM.